economy from her 2 terms as governor of Michigan. She will be announcing the concept phase winners in the current DOE L Prize competition, where competitors were invited to create next generation LED lighting concepts that could lead to transformative designs, product, and impact. Secretary Granholm.
Great. Thank you so much, Brian, and good morning, everyone. It is great to be here with you on the last day of the Solid State Lighting R&D Workshop. Let me start by thanking IES for being such a great co-host. And on behalf of the Department of Energy, let me thank all of you for spending your week with us and for putting all of our minds together to push the boundaries of lighting innovation. So we all know the light bulb is the universal symbol of a great idea, and making lighting systems even better for people and the planet is probably our brightest idea yet. And as many of you know, President Biden has really set very ambitious goals to cut emissions in half by 2030, reach 100% clean electricity by 2035, achieve net zero by 2050. And of course, that big goal, the path to it, runs straight through the 129 million residential and commercial buildings nationwide. And that building stock, of course, uses roughly 40% of the nation's energy and 75% of its electricity. So collectively, buildings are where it is at. Buildings account for a little over a third of our carbon emissions, and about 30% of the energy our buildings consume, of course, you all know this, is currently wasted, along with our money, to the tune of, $100 billion a year? So light bulb inefficiency is a big part of that. Fortunately, though, advances in LED technology already save over $7 billion each year in commercial buildings that made the switch, which is great. On top of their climate footprint, buildings, of course, are where we spend most of our time. And so it makes sense that we'd want them to be welcoming and healthy places for us to live, work, and play and learn in every day. And of course, lighting is just such a big part of that experience. We all have felt the headache that comes on after too many hours under outdated fluorescent lights, and the strain on our eyes when the lights leave a space that's too dim or too bright. And even more importantly, high quality lighting, of course, helps frontline workers deliver essential services in hospitals and grocery stores and schools and more. So it's clear that we need lighting solutions that boost efficiency and affordability and performance. And that's exactly why we're doing this. It's what DOE's lighting R&D program has been pursuing for nearly 2 decades now. So we've spent that time catalyzing innovation in solid state lighting by bringing experts and stakeholders together and by investing in cutting edge solutions that have enormous energy savings and performance potential. Our investments at DOE, at least, have resulted in 458 patents and millions of products on today's market that can be traced to DOE R&D. We have to thump our drum a little bit here because I'm new and I can say all of this has happened even long before I got here, but so proud of the work that DOE has done, from, futuristic light fixtures that bend light around corners, way cool, to reflective coatings for lights that save energy. Those innovations have made an enormous impact on the climate. And they've saved enough energy to power an estimated, 15 million homes, and the associated carbon emissions that go with that. Plus, innovations like connected lighting have a compound impact for climate by supporting a clean and reliable grid. And they've made a big impact on real people, not just because they're under better lighting every day, but because they've saved over $20 billion for American homes and businesses. So we're very proud. I'm very proud, certainly, of the progress that DOE has supported over the years. And I know since I'm here, we have no intent of slowing down. Investing in this next generation lighting and the solutions is key to tackling the climate crisis. And it's key to boosting American supply chains. It's key to manufacturing these technologies and creating good paying jobs and building back better, as we say. It's really why the president's bipartisan infrastructure law includes over $1 billion in energy efficiency grants to schools and communities and tribes, including lighting solutions. So That's why today I'm super excited to announce the winners of phase 1 of our L Prize, our lighting prize. A decade ago, DOE awarded our very first L Prize to a technology you might have heard of a little bit, an LED replacement for the everyday light bulb. So we launched the latest round of the competition in May, and the purpose was to raise the bar, of course, for lighting efficiency and quality and connectivity and environmental footprint. And this time, we are really targeting transformational innovation to light commercial buildings. So we're also trying to level the playing field, recognizing, of course, the innovators from a wide diversity of backgrounds produce smarter and more effective and more creative, sometimes solutions. So it's why this first concept phase of the L Prize is all about that. And so we were thrilled by the responses that we received. After an expert reviewer panel of about 8,000 thought leaders, after they evaluated submissions, we chose 4 winning teams. And those 4 winning teams will each receive $20,000. So, drum roll. Without further ado, those winners are, first, Project Tango, submitted by QuarkStar of Las Vegas, Nevada. Bravo. Next, Sustainable and Connected Troffer Retrofit, submitted by Orion Energy Systems of Jacksonville, Florida. And next, Laterally Symmetrical Level 3 Engine for 3D Printing, which was submitted by, I love this title, Smash the Bulb / Bridgelux of Mountain View, California. And the last one is Papaya Modular Lighting Ecosystem, submitted by Papaya of Evanston, Illinois. Congratulations to all of the winners. Bravo. In the coming months, we're going to open the next phase of the L Prize, the prototype phase, with a $2 million prize pool for actual models of lighting systems. So this phase is open to any entrant, including anyone who submitted a concept in phase 1, and any of our winners, certainly. So, and then later we'll move on to phase 3, which is domestic manufacturing and installation, with a $10 million prize for up to 2 winners. So we are ratcheting up the game. I certainly applaud everybody who participated in phase 1. I know I speak for all of us at DOE when I say we can't wait to see what innovations will come out of the rest of the competition. And with them, American manufacturing leadership and jobs and healthier people and a healthier planet. So bravo to everybody. Look forward to the next phase. Thank you so much for joining us. Have a great final day of your workshop. Thank you for letting me come on.
Well, thank you, Secretary Granholm, for your remarks and for your leadership. That is exciting to have the Secretary of Energy join us here today to recognize the importance of these winning concepts and all your work and what that means for the future of lighting. Now, back to the workshop. I also want to take a moment to thank everyone who participated in yesterday's topic table discussions on lighting workforce opportunities, on germicidal UV lighting, on manufacturing and sustainability, and many more topics. We had